Let A, B, and C be 2 by 2 matrices with real entries given by A equals 1, 1, 1, 0, B equals minus 1, 0, 1, 0, C equals 0, 1, 1, 0. We are asked to give a description of the span of these three matrices that is as simple as possible. The span of these three matrices is simply all the linear combinations of these three matrices. But we want something that is as simple as possible. So we want to see what kind of 2 by 2 matrices we get in the span of A, B, and C. So the span of A, B, and C is given by alpha times A plus beta times B plus gamma times C, where alpha, beta, and gamma are real numbers. And if we expand this, we get the set of matrices in this form. So the top left entry is alpha minus beta because I have alpha times 1 here, and beta times minus 1 here, and gamma times 0, which is just 0. Now the top right entry is alpha plus gamma. The bottom left entry is alpha plus beta plus gamma. And the bottom right entry is 0 because all the matrices have 0 in the bottom right. And here alpha, beta, and gamma are real numbers. So the span consists of all matrices of this form, and in particular the lower right entry is always 0. Now the question is, what can these values possibly be? And I'm going to claim that they can be anything you like. Okay, so I'm going to claim that this is in fact equal to 2 by 2 matrices of this form, R, S, T0, where R, S, and T are real numbers. Now, in order to prove this, we have to show that given any R, S, T, we can find alpha, beta, and gamma, such that alpha minus beta is R, alpha plus gamma is S, and alpha plus beta plus gamma is T. In other words, we want to show that this system always has a solution. And it's not too hard to solve the system, and we are going to label these 1, 2, and 3. So first of all, 1 plus 3 gives 2 alpha plus gamma equals R plus T. And now I can subtract 2 from this equation to get alpha equals R plus T minus S. So once we have alpha, we can get beta. So beta is going to be alpha minus R. So beta is going to be T minus S. And from 2, we know that gamma is going to be S minus alpha. So gamma is going to be 2S minus R minus T. Now you can easily check that this is a solution. And so this here is the simplest possible description of the span of these three matrices A, B, and C.